welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. To all my old subscribers, I really do appreciate you for always clicking on my video. And if today is your first time ever seeing this face, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate. I really hope that you consider subscribing, so please click on the subscribe button down below and subscribe. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got this very beautiful braidless crochet hairstyle. You guys, I have been doing crochet hairstyle in my previous videos, and I wanted to do something that, you know, even if you don't know how to braid, you don't know how to twist, you don't know how to, you know, cornrows, don't worry, with this hairstyle I got you. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to show you guys how to be able to do that without having to cornrow, because I know it's not everybody that knows how to cornrow. Okay, so whatever you can do, this hairstyle is going to be perfect for you. So yeah, okay guys, so the first thing that I did was to go ahead and, you know, moisturize my hair. I sprayed some water because my hair was really very thick. I did wash my hair the night before, so it was a bit dry, so I just need to put a little bit more moisture to the hair so that I'll be able to work with it. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and applied my leave-in, which is the Cantu shea butter leave-in, and I'm just going to go ahead and put my hair in chunky twist. You guys, you don't even have to twist this hair. Even if you want to put your hair in a ponytail, sorry, like you want a bun, just go ahead and do it. It's still gonna be okay. So yeah, so I went ahead and parted my hair because you guys already know now it's just going to be a side parting for me. So what I'm doing right here is to add a little bit of gel to where I had that parting, because I'm going to be crocheting the extensions on my own hair when I get there. And because you guys, I usually put my gels and go to bed, and I'm not going to be doing that today because I'm not applying a lot of gel in the first place, and I really don't need to do that in this hairstyle because, as you guys can see, I'm just applying gel in just that section. So by the time I get there, hopefully it's going to be dry. So yeah, I'm just smoothing everything together, brushing it, and you guys can see what my twist looks like. It's not even perfect at all. That's the sole aim of this hairstyle, because it doesn't have to. Okay, so next I'm going to put on this net. You guys have already seen me do this a number of times already. So yeah, just in case you don't know why I use this net, first is because it's going to give me more space to crochet my hair, and secondly, it just protects your own natural hair, so you don't have to put so much tension on your own hair. So yeah, it just helps to do that. So that's why I love to use it. So yeah, this is the hair I'm going to be using. Is this free trace braid, and this one is called the deep twist, and I got it in the color 1B 22 inches. So I got 3 packs of this hair, and what I'm going to be doing is to go ahead and cut it into 2 equal parts. Yeah, just because I don't want a longer hairstyle, I wanted something that was a little bit shorter, and I wanted it to be more fuller, so I decided to cut it into 2. So what I'm going to do now is just to go ahead and crochet this hair on my head. You guys have seen me do this countless times, and I want to believe that everybody knows how to crochet, but just in case you don't, you know, I'm just going to go through it for you. Just what I'm doing is to pass my crochet pin through my hair or through the net, you know, and then attach the hair, pull it out, create a knot, and that is it. That is all there is to it. So with this hair, I want to say that I did make 2 to 3 knots. Yeah, that's because this hair was a little bit on the slippery, or should I say softer side. So if you don't knot it like 2 to 3 times, it might end up losing. So what I did was I knotted it for 2 to 3 times at least, not once like the last hairstyle that I made. Because that hair was in a kinky side, I only knotted it once and it stayed in place. So yeah, it all depends on the type and the texture of hair you're working with. So yeah, if you're working with this type of hair, I would advise that you knot it 2 to 3 times. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair, and let me just leave you guys to enjoy, and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay guys, so right about here I was done with the first pack of the hair, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the second pack, and I'm doing the exact same thing, cutting the hair into 2 equal parts, and then I'm just going to go ahead and continue to crochet my hair, crochet this hair on my head until I get to the very front of the hair, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I'm going to do next. All right. Okay guys, so here is the third and final pack. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into 2 equal parts as well. Remember I said I'm going for a fuller look, so yeah, that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead and continue crocheting the hair until I get to where my pattern is, and then we're going to move to the next step. Okay. Okay guys, so now that we're at the very front of my hair where I had the net, I'm going to go ahead and cut that net off. No, I wasn't going to leave it like that because it's not going to be a good look. So to expose my pattern, of course, I'm going to cut it off, and then I'm going to go ahead and crochet the hair now onto my own natural hair. Remember I applied a little bit of gel there. Yes, that was the reason why. Now that section of my hair is dry, like it's not moving around, if you understand what I mean. So I'm able to crochet, you know, this hair onto my own natural hair. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and continue to crochet the hair there, you know, and when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and trim the hair. And there was a lot of shedding, and that is understandable because of course I did go ahead and cut this hair, so that was why I experienced a lot of shedding with this hair. But I want to believe that if I didn't cut it, it wouldn't have been too much, but it's still okay. The hair is still beautiful, as you guys can see. So what I'm doing now is to just go ahead and trim, you know, the hair a little bit, nothing too much, just some of the flyaways, and you know, just try to trim it and, you know, make it, you know, look good. And yeah, next I'm going to go ahead and apply my favorite mousse, which is the Herbal Essences mousse. I'm going to go ahead and apply a good, you know, amount of that on the hair, just to help with the shading and, you know, set the hair in place. This mousse works wonders, you guys, and I really would suggest that you guys try it out. So yeah, I love the mousse. So yeah, after that I'm going to then go ahead and, you know, slick my edges down a little bit. You guys can see that my edges is, you know, they are growing back, and I'm really excited because I have been itching to do a particular hairstyle, but because my edges, you know, were basically gone, I could not. But I'm happy that they are coming back, and I'm going to be able to do that in no time. So you guys, I'm just going to slick down my edges a little bit with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil edge control. This one is really thick and it works well with my 4C hair. Next, I'm going to tie down my hair while I go put some makeup on, and yeah, I will be right back. Voila, you guys, this is the finished result. I am in love with this hair. Oh my god, you guys, it's really beautiful. I love it, and I'm happy the way it turned out. Let me know if you guys would rock this, because I really love it, and I just love the fact that I can always change my hairstyles every time I want, and crochets are a better way to do that. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and let me know what you think. Share this video. God bless you, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.